Most guys are wasting hours in the gym chasing a physique they'll never build because they're overcomplicating everything. The truth? You only need 2 exercises to build wide shoulders, a thick chest, a powerful back, and that V-taper that turns heads. No gym membership, no equipment, no excuses. Just 2 movements, done right, and your body will never be the same. Before I show you the exercises, understand this. An aesthetic physique isn't built by how many machines you use. It's built by tension, control, and progressive overload. And these 2 exercises, they deliver all 3, hitting every major muscle group that creates the illusion of a bigger, more athletic body. Let's get started. Exercise number 1, incline push-ups. Now, before you scroll away thinking this is beginner stuff, stop. Most people have never done a proper incline push-up, and that's exactly why their upper chest is flat and their shoulders look narrow. When you elevate your hands on a chair, a bench, or a table, you shift the loading directly onto the upper chest and front delts. These are the 2 muscles responsible for that full 3D look across your upper body. Here's how to do it right. Place your hands on an elevated surface, slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your body in a straight line, hips locked, core tight, not sagging, not raised like a tent. Lower yourself slowly, 3 seconds down. Pause at the bottom and feel the stretch in your chest, then explode up. That pause at the bottom, that's where most people cheat. Don't be like most people. Perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Do this consistently, and your upper chest will start pushing through every shirt you own. Exercise number 2, pull-ups. If there is a single exercise that separates an average body from an aesthetic body, it is the pull-ups, and this one is non-negotiable. Pull-ups build the lats, and the lats? They are the muscle that creates your V-taper. That wide back, narrow waist look that makes you appear bigger in a t-shirt, bigger in a tank top, bigger standing still. No cable machine on earth beats a pull-up for lat development. Here's how to do it right. Grab the bar slightly wider than shoulder width, palms facing away. Before you pull, depress your shoulders down and back. Engage your lats first, not your arms. Pull your chest to the bar, not your chin over it, your chest to it. Lower yourself slowly. 3 full seconds on the way down. Full hang, full range, every single rep. The negative, the lowering phase, is where the real muscle is built. Don't drop, don't swing. Just control it. Can't do pull-ups yet? Use a chair to assist one leg. Lower yourself slowly. That's how you build to full reps fast. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Do these twice a week, and your back will start growing wider than you've ever seen. Now, here is your weekly progression plan to get maximum results. Monday, incline push-ups and pull-ups. Wednesday, rest or light cardio. Friday, incline push-ups and pull-ups. That's it. But here's the key. You must get harder every week. More reps, slower negatives, a harder angle, and a weighted backpack. Progressive overload is the only thing that builds muscle. These exercises are just the vehicle. Done right, done consistently. That's the entire secret to build massive shoulders, a thick chest, a powerful back, and an aesthetic V-taper physique. If you want more videos like this, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.